like horribly. I'm at Brecken's house, and how will I get home? I'm just gonna run through the rain. Dun, dun. It's raining. Guys, this is crazy. Okay, so remember, you got to poo in your pants. You got to poo in your pants.
We have to stay under the shadow. Let's play this game.
You got to poo in your pants.
Oh my goodness, the clouds are peeing. The clouds are peeing, so you just don't touch the pee.
Oh my
I just wanna
gosh.
drink it.
The clouds peeing. The clouds are peeing.
Oh, the pee is so yummy. I love it.
I think I have to tell my mom that I'll be running through. What are you doing? Yeah. Hi. Well, since it's raining again, I'm just gonna run through like I did last time. It's actually really fun to run through. And guys, look at this outside. Oh my! It's
like a lake, a river.
Oh, my dad's still coming. He might slip.
And then he'll die.
Oh no.
Once it was hailing when I was on the.
Guys, I feel bad. My dad's coming.
He's gonna die.
My mom's probably worried about me, but I'm fine.
He's probably gonna cry.
This happened before. See?
My
No, Brecken. Just come back
Did you
in.
hear me?
It's making mist. It's making mist.
I know, it's like
I'm gonna go find Grandpa.
What?
He's riding his bike.
Oh, that must be bad.
My phone, he can't get a hold of me when my phone died.
Well, probably his phone is all soaked now.
Wait, who's watching us?
Are we gonna stay here by ourselves?
Stay here.
Okay, that's okay.
Can we make
Because
ourselves
I'm
hot chocolate?
staying home for about 8 or 9 hours one time.
Can we make hot chocolate?
No, do not make anything. Nothing.
Okay.
Right back.
Put your tears on.
Sleep, don't touch us.
Okay. So we are gonna be by ourselves right now, but I'm scared.
You know what? Should we just take off our shoes? Should
Oh,
I take off my shoes?
Go put him by the front door, please.
My shoes?
You take your shoes off.
I'm worried about my dad too because right now he's driving back home in the rain. Yeah. He,
Running? Are you
no,
happy that he's
driving back home, but he might slip and crash.
I don't want this over here in the couches, okay?
It's under there.
Yeah, I knew it was going to
Can we not
rain.
go outside?
No, stay in the house. Or you're gonna have to just come with me.
I was just asking.
Okay,
I
stay in the
was
house.
just saying.
Yeah. Okay, so it's raining. Okay, so it's raining right now. It is beautiful.
Stop making vlogs.
Oh, he's got me making
Slime drop test.
no, your Saturday
Oh yes, Super Saturday. Put that in the
Super
link.
Saturday.
Put that in the description.
But you never made one yet. Hey,
Oh yeah, and on Saturday.
we cannot go outside. We have to, guys, pretend we're like really scared right now, and guys, I'm actually.
I wanted to do this video called
I don't know where it is.
A Creeper's Life. You want to do that video right now?
I don't know, but
Can I make a
I'm
video
gonna stop
for
here,
watching?
guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Go in the rain.